students, the purpose of this video is to outline the procedure that you need to follow if you are unable to sit for an examination due to a serious illness. In such an instance, you must submit the medical certificates obtained from the University Medical Center or a medical certificate obtained from a government registered doctor within 14 days from the date of the examination of the relevant subject. We encourage you to obtain this medical certificate from the University Medical Center as much as possible, and in cases where it is impractical to do so, for example, if your residence is far from the university and you become ill while at home, the medical certificate can be obtained from a government registered doctor in your area. However, such a medical certificate is valid only after it is certified by the University Medical Center. The original copy of the medical certificate obtained from or certified by the university's medical center along with the completed application must be handed over to the examination unit and signed in the book reserved for that purpose in the examination unit. The relevant application is available on the examination unit website. It is mandatory to sit for such medical submitted subject examinations in the next academic year. For example, if medical certificates are submitted for a subject in the first year, then you must appear for the examination in the second year. In case where you are unable to sit for an examination due to any medical reasons, you can resit for the examination in the following year with privileges on medical grounds. In the case where you are unable to sit for an examination due to any medical reasons, you can resit for the examination in the following year with privileges on medical grounds. When appearing as a candidate with privileges, the continuous assessment marks obtained in the relevant academic year will be added to the marks of the final examination, and you will be able to get the grade in the normal way. If you submit an invalid or fraudulent medical certificate, you will have to appear for the examination as a repeat candidate. In such instance, the maximum mark you can get for the examination is 40 marks, which is a C grade, and note that there will be no accumulation of the continuous assessment marks. We hope you read these instructions more clearly in the exam procedures section of the prospectus. We are thorough in bringing you this information as it was observed that there are some misunderstandings in reappearing for the examination on medical grounds. It is absolutely unacceptable to submit a medical certificate as a reason for not appearing in the examination when the illness does not seriously affect attending the examination. Fraudulent submissions of false medical certificates has many negative consequences. For example, the rejection of your medical certificate increases the number of subjects to be faced in the next academic year, and the non-consideration of the continuous assessment marks will severely affect your grades and GPA. More unfortunate circumstances would be forgetting the knowledge gained in the lectures over time, and this may require you to quit your internships due to the excessive workload. Therefore, we highly encourage you to sit for the examination when the illness does not seriously affect attending the examination. In certain instances like the loss of a loved one or an unexpected emergency like an accident, there may be circumstances preventing you from submitting the medical certificates within the stipulated 14 days period. If you find yourself in such scenarios, it's crucial to promptly reach out to the examination unit and obtain the essential instructions on how to proceed in such a situation. We once again advise you to thoroughly prepare and attend the examination when in good health, and it is strongly advised not to attempt to defer exams by submitting fraudulent medical certificates. We hope that you will successfully face all examinations in the future. Thank you.